Hi friends, I'm Ryan, and today I'm on a bench with my friend Raynell.
Hi everyone. We are here at a park that's near my house and we're curious about what we're going to find. So we're going to go exploring and we thought we'd start with the pond.
Ooh, let's go.
Ryan, what do you see?
I see a Raynell looking at me.
Ryan. Oh my goodness everyone, look at all those ducks that Ryan missed.
Do you see the ducks? Look at those ducks. Those are pretty cool. You know, Raynell, I am curious about what these ducks might like to eat. I wish I had some bread to feed them.
Actually, Ryan, what I found out is that bread isn't that good for the ducks.
Oh.
It makes the water dirty. There's a lot of bacteria from the bread just sitting there. And the ducks, they have these crops that get really full. And then what happens is it fills up and it's not good for the ducks.
Oh.
But I am curious about what is good for them to eat.
Well, I'm glad that I asked that question. So now I know more about what ducks should and should not have.
Yeah.
Let's keep exploring. Let's see what else there is around here.
Ryan, look.
Oh. Oh, what is that?
It looks like some trash.
That's not good. I'm curious right now, what do you think would happen if we left this trash here?
Well, you know, it looks like, let's see. It looks like this is a balloon and some tape and some paper. But you know, what happens is there's so many animals here. Remember, we saw the ducks and there are squirrels. We just saw an egret. And what happens is the animals might think that that's food and then they eat it and it makes them really sick.
Oh, wow. Okay, so then I think we should probably take this trash and find a trash can to put it in.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea,
Okay,
Mr. Ryan.
let's do that. Thanks for exploring with me today, Raynell.
Oh, it was a lot of fun. I was glad to do it.
So I'm curious though, it seems like you know a lot about animals and about nature. How is it that you know so much?
So one of the things I did was I was curious about what it would be like to work at a museum. So I ended up being a docent at the Lindsay Wildlife Museum, where I learned all sorts of new things about animals, including ducks. Like, I didn't know that you couldn't feed ducks bread until I worked there. And I actually learned a lot of other cool things about how we need to share our world with animals and live together.
I like that, Raynell. I like that you found a job where you could ask questions and find new things out.
Yeah. And so my hope for today is that after you saw us exploring, that we're all going to stay curious, because you never know what you're going to find.
Well, until I see you next time, friends, stay curious and be fantastic.